You probably use the internet every day. You check emails, watch videos, and connect with friends. The internet has become an integral part of our daily lives, seamlessly connecting us to a world of information and entertainment. But have you ever stopped to think about how it all works? What makes this vast network of information possible? Behind the scenes, there's a hidden hero, TCP/IP. This technology is the backbone of the internet. This stands for Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. It's a set of rules that governs how data is transmitted over the internet. It's the magic that makes the internet go. Without it, our digital world would come to a standstill. TCP/IP is like the language of the internet. It ensures that different devices can communicate with each other effectively. It allows different computers to talk to each other, regardless of their make or model. No matter the device or location, TCP/IP connects them. It bridges the gap between different networks and devices. It's a bit like a giant postal system for digital information. Data packets are sent and received, ensuring smooth communication. Without TCP/IP, the internet as we know it wouldn't exist. It is the essential framework that supports all online activities. It's the foundation for everything we do online. From browsing to streaming, TCP/IP makes it all possible. Understanding TCP/IP helps us appreciate the complexity of the internet. It reveals the intricate processes that keep us connected. It also allows us to understand important issues like net neutrality. Knowing how the internet works empowers us to protect it. The story of TCP/IP begins in the 1970s. The Cold War was raging. The United States wanted a communication system that could survive a nuclear attack. This system needed to be decentralized. No single point of failure could exist. Enter Vint Cerf and Bob Kahn. These brilliant computer scientists developed TCP/IP. Their invention was revolutionary. It allowed different networks to communicate with each other seamlessly. This was a huge departure from the centralized networks of the past. TCP/IP's decentralized nature made it perfect for the internet. It could connect different types of networks around the world. This paved the way for the global information superhighway we have today. So how does TCP/IP actually work? Imagine you want to send a photo to your friend across the country. You click send and expect it to arrive in seconds. But what happens behind the scenes? TCP/IP steps in to make it happen. This protocol is the backbone of the internet, ensuring your data gets where it needs to go. First, it breaks the photo down into small packets of data. These packets are easier to manage and send across the network. Think of these packets like envelopes, each with a piece of the picture. Each packet is a small part of the whole image. Each packet gets labeled with a source and destination address. This labeling is crucial for the packets to find their way. This is like writing your address and your friend's address on the envelopes. It ensures that each packet knows where to go. Then, the packets travel across the internet, often taking different routes. The internet is like a vast network of roads, and packets can take multiple paths. Some might go by fiber optic cable, others by satellite. The route depends on the network's current traffic and conditions. Finally, the packets arrive at their destination. They gather at your friend's device, ready to be reassembled. TCP/IP reassembles them in the correct order, like putting a puzzle back together. This ensures the photo is complete and accurate. Your friend sees the complete photo, thanks to the magic of TCP/IP. This entire process happens in just a few seconds, making it seem almost instantaneous. Section 4. The power of open standards. One of the most important things about TCP/IP is that it is an open standard. This means anyone can use it without paying royalties. This openness has been crucial to the internet's growth. It has allowed anyone to create new technologies that can connect to the network. Imagine if only certain companies could use TCP/IP. The internet would be a much different place. Open standards foster innovation. They allow for a level playing field where anyone can participate. This openness has also made the internet incredibly resilient. Because TCP/IP is not controlled by any one entity, it can adapt to changes. This is why the internet has been able to grow and evolve so rapidly. Section 5. TCP/IP and the future of the internet. TCP/IP has been the backbone of the internet for decades. It is the fundamental protocol that allows different networks to communicate with each other, forming the global internet as we know it today. It has proven to be remarkably adaptable and robust, handling everything from simple email exchanges to complex streaming services. However, The internet is constantly evolving. New technologies and applications are emerging every day, pushing the limits of what TCP/IP can handle. New challenges like the increasing number of devices connected to the internet require ongoing innovation. The rise of the Internet of Things, IoT, means that billions of devices are now online, each demanding bandwidth and security. As we move towards a future with billions of devices online, ensuring the stability and security of TCP/IP is more important than ever. Cybersecurity threats are also becoming more sophisticated, requiring advanced measures to protect data and privacy. This includes addressing issues like net neutrality, where internet providers might prioritize certain types of traffic over others, potentially leading to an unequal internet experience. It also means protecting against censorship and ensuring that everyone has equal access to information. The open nature of the internet is what has made it such a powerful tool for communication and innovation. Understanding TCP/IP is not just for computer scientists, it's a fundamental part of our digital lives, and knowing how it works can empower us all. It's essential for all of us. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just a casual internet user, understanding the basics of TCP/IP can help you navigate the digital world more effectively. When we understand how the internet works, we can make informed decisions about its future. We can advocate for policies and technologies that promote a free and open internet. We can help ensure that it remains a force for good in the world, connecting people and ideas across the globe.